Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is metal and non-metal part 3. So let's talk about it. Metal. Material which have certain properties like luster, malleability, ductility and are sonorous good conductor of heat and electricity are called metals. Metal are the elements that conduct heat and electricity and are malleable and ductile. Examples are iron, aluminum, silver, copper, gold, platinum, lead, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and etc. A base reacts with metal to form salt. During the reaction of a base with metal, hydrogen gas is evolved. The evolution of the hydrogen gas can be confirmed by the bringing a lit candle near the mouth of the test tube. This leads to a pop sound, indicating the evolution of hydrogen gas. Alkali plus metal is equal to salt plus hydrogen. Displacement reaction. A single displacement reaction, also known as single displacement reaction or exchange reaction. It is a chemical reaction in which the one element is replaced by another in a compound. Displacement reaction, in which displacement reaction more reactive element display a less reactive element to form a compound. Displacement reaction can be seen in a metal and non-metal both. Example: zinc display iron ion from the iron sulfate solution and nickel display copper from copper nitrate solution. Uses of metals. Number 1. Gold, platinum and silver are used as jewelries and ornaments. Number 2. Iron and steel are used for construction purpose. Number 3. Aluminium, steel are used as utensil. Number 4. Mercury is used in thermometer and help to check the temperature. Number 5. Aluminium are also used as insulation wire. Number 6. Aluminium foil are used as food wrappers. Number 7. Silver foil is used in sweets. Number 8. Zinc is used for the galvanizing to prevent rusting. Number 9. Iron is used as automobiles. Uses of non-metal. Non-metal is a basic requirement of life, oxygen and inhaled while breathing. Number 2. Nitrogen is used in a fertilizer to enhance the fertility of soil. Number 3. Chlorine and fluorine are used for water purification. Number 4. It is used as the antiseptic and applied on wounds. Number 5. It is used as a disinfectant. So let's talk about facts about metal and non-metals. Number 1. Silver conducts electricity better than any other metals. Number 2. Brass is an alloy made from zinc and copper. Number 3. Pure gold is too soft for many things, so most gold is combined with other metal to make it stronger. Number 4. World time periods are often listed by the metal used. So kids, tell me, what is non-metal? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the metal and non-metal part 3. If you like my video, please like it and share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.